Hi friends, welcome to HR Tech. This is Amir. Today we are going to see how to conditional format the documentation or our Excel sheet with the color coding. It's a very simple and there is no much formulas. You can learn easily and you can apply in your day-to-day activities very easily. For example, we are going to see a vehicle documents tracker. So usually what we will do, we will filter. For example, whichever this is the example of some vehicle list and insurance, that permit and taxes. So whichever lapse means it the less than today. For example, 15 Jan 2022. So today is 27 February 2022. So it's a lapsed. So what you need to do, you need to filter and just you need to select whichever, only April and here Jan and June. So these 3 days, 3 vehicles tax already lapsed. You need to go and select the color. For example, you want to show us whatever lapsed, you need to show us the red color. You need to make it. But this is some 2-3 data, so manually we can do and present it. But in regular days, we cannot filter and we cannot track the sheet. Whenever we open, we need to show and we need to give the clear picture which are all the documents is lapsed. So it's a very simple. You can go here. For example, already I did. This is the way we want. So you can select any one column, one cell, and go to formatting, and in home conditional formatting, rules, new rule. Here if you click rule, the select a rule type, it will ask. So we are going to use the simple formula method. So I am use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I selected first cell. So first cell is equal, always you use is equal to C5. You want to condition the format whichever dates are lesser than today. So just lesser than today. That's all. This is a very simple formula. And go format, and you want to fill the conditions a red color and select. That's all. If you select, it will show as if condition is true, it will show as a red color. And manage rules, go to rules, and you can apply the entire cell. So for example, you want to think entire thing means you need to select. So already here it is done. So one more time you can see. I'm going to do. So I'm removing this color. I'm selecting, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine. So I'm giving is equal to C5 and less than today. Formatting, so no format set. So I'm giving the format red color. Okay, so applies to. So where you need to apply means the entire document, or wherever you want you can apply it. Just I'm clean. Okay, that's all. See, in just 1 second. So for example, in future maybe the taxes are renewed and after that if you put some other date, for example I'm giving today, so I renewed means today is the last day means it will not show. So next year, so it will not show. But in just if I enter the old date, automatically it will show. If you like, please like and share to your friends. This is a very simple and very tricky in conditional formatting method. So share it to your friends and anyone can use it, and in day-to-day regular activities it is very useful, I think. So happy to share you these things, and we'll see in next video. Comment whatever you have doubt or what you want to learn, so maximum we'll cover and quickly we'll update you. Thank you once again. We'll see you next video.